Let's get more on the macro view of the markets and the economy. Joining us now is former Goldman Sachs chief economist and asset management chairman and current Northern Gritstone chairman, Jim O'Neill. Always good to check in with you, Jim. How about what Bob just said about China and some of the loss in the momentum in groups like industrials and energy? You spent a lot of your career studying China and the economy. Everyone expected this big bounce back post-COVID. What's happening?
I wish I knew. Nice to see you, Sarah.
You too.
I'm focusing on that oddity myself. It's going to get a bit more complicated even further because when we get all the data for April in imminent in days, I guess, it's going to show probably a very strong year-on-year rise in the Chinese monthly indicators. But it does feel anecdotally and from other scattered reports, and as Bob just reported, the markets aren't carrying on this sort of China recovery theme. And it may well be that some of the structural issues and the inconsistencies between President Xi's desire for strength versus trying to encourage the private sector to do more isn't really taking off. So that definitely requires watching really carefully, not least because if you link it to the rest of the world, given the central importance of China, look at the latest monthly purchasing managers indices where the global manufacturing one is essentially saying we're in recession, whereas the services one, and especially in some many different places, is showing, including the UK, intriguingly, signs of a pickup and indeed an accelerating pickup. And then you've got all sorts of contradictory things going on with inflation data. So it's pretty tricky. I'm glad I'm not in the business every day of my life anymore.
But when people ask you, Jim, should I invest in China? We're coming off of a few decades of growth. There was an economist covers China power about to peak. We know what's happening in the geopolitical situation with the U.S. and China. Yeah. Is it a place to invest in for the long term now?
I read that economist piece with great interest. It was, on the one hand, the Economist will always be famous for a very regretful piece that he had about the coming son of Japan, which was about a year before the whole Japan story just completely finished. So the fact they're focusing on it really tells you that is the mood of people about China. And it did have a lot of good stuff in there as to why China might be peaking. Against that, if you look at valuations and if you look at the cyclical momentum coming out of COVID lockdown and the sheer fact that there is, even though the population's turning, there's 1.4 billion of them nearly, and plenty of ammunition for the government to do more, I would lean cyclically slightly to the positive camp, although they need to address some of these fears that people have all over the place, including, and that's not just them, also the US, this seemingly never-ending rising conflict between China and the US. It's definitely a major issue for world markets, but also one for China directly.